lines, and he hands me the slide. So I'm reading, slide. David's ready. He started to say his line. Around the third line. Please, line, I forgot. Please, line. I'm reading the same line. I turn over to my friend, John O'Keefe. He says, John, that's not his lines. I goes, what do you mean? He goes, look. He goes, oh, hurry up. Find the lines. Are you serious? There's only 2 pages. So finally, we found his lines, and it was on the money. True story. Paris. 2 years ago.
Paris, France.
That's right. Yes. we went out early in the morning. We shop around. We go to Paris quite a few times. You all know that. You know that. Around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm tired. Let's go upstairs to the hotel. So we went upstairs. I turned the TV on, the first thing I did. I couldn't believe it. I said to Laurie, WTF? There's a kid here. WTF? Effing Vogel, look at this! Raising his glass. Was it? Flash dance.
Dirty dancing.
Dirty dancing. In Paris. I saw him raise his glass. Wow. I texted him right away, right?
Yep,
you got it?
You did.
Which was a nighttime when you got it. So, and what Sean Carroll said before is true. If you're working with Dave, and he gets to know you, my friends, you have a friend for life. That is true. Love you, man.
Thank you.
Very good.